Hello and welcome to the Halloween version of How to Microwave. Today we'll be learning how to microwave the famous Hot Pocket, the most popular flavor, meatballs and mozzarella. Now, first what you do, you take one out of the package. I already saved some time and did that. So unwrap it, take it out of the plastic pack, you see. Get rid of the plastic. Now, you see this nice little safety pocket. This is crisping. Shh. Try to be a little more quieter over there. This is a crisping sleeve. It makes the outside nice and crispy, and it acts as a holder later. Stick it in there. Sometimes it won't go in. You're gonna jam it. Just jam it in. And then you want to put it on a microwave-safe plate. Like you see that? That's a beautiful plate right there. Nice artistry done there. Okay. And then these are in Spanish. Okay, here we go. Okay, I unwrapped the sandwich. I inserted it into the crisping sleeve. Placed it on a paper plate. Okay. Now, step 2, you want to make it hot. Cooking time on high is 2 minutes for 1 and 3 minutes and 30 seconds for 2. We're only doing one. We're only doing 1. So we're gonna do it for 2 minutes. Now on a lower wattage microwave, we want to do it for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So lower wattage, less heat. Yeah, you know, it sucks. It's better to have 1100 watts. That's more common. Okay, so 2 minutes in the microwave. The microwave. Let's press 2. 0. Start. And now we wait. Now you see, Halloween is a great time of year. I don't know any history on it or why it was started, but it's where you can scare the shit out of people and just have an excuse and say, hey, it's Halloween. And it's like, you know, it's great because you can just dress up like idiots, roam around and get free candy. I mean, who the hell is going to say no to free candy? And so it's a very festive time of year. Great for the kids, you know, the family. I don't want to talk about Halloween anymore. It's weird. Okay, there's still 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Hey.
What the fuck?
Please try to be a little more quiet over there, my dude. Okay, thank you. You know, in Canada, we didn't like Hot Pockets because in Canada everything's cold. So up in the Great White North,
Why?
the Great White North, we like everything cold. So we have cold pockets. It's like Hot Pockets, but you put it in your freezer. Ow! Ow! I got my finger stuck again.
Are you?
Oh shit! I gotta get these undone. How do I do this? I don't know. Okay, the show must go on. Okay, we have 30 seconds left. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do this. It doesn't work by pulling them. You gotta be gentle with it. You gotta be gentle. If you pull, it makes it tighter. See, look. See, because when you pull, it gets tighter. So you gotta pull from that end. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. Shut up. Shut the fuck up, stupid microwave. Okay.
No.
Sorry. See a little stall there. And time. Okay. So now, when we're done with that, open the microwave. I don't want to kick it out. Now, usually, it'll ooze out some nice love juice. That's always the best part. But you would like to let it sit for another minute, because you want it. You don't want a hot pocket. You want a mildly warm pocket. So you must let it sit for a minute and let it cool down, so until it becomes mildly warm. That's how you make a hot pocket. Hot pocket, meatballs, and mozzarella. Make sure I don't miss anything. Step 3: enjoy it. Pretty much it. If you don't enjoy your food, there's no point in cooking it. So just enjoy it. I mean, anything you cook, if you don't like it, it's on you. Eat shit. I mean, yeah. So have a happy Halloween. Stay safe out there. Halloween already ended. Guys, Halloween already ended.